What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today is day 4 of my Ftmo challenge. So just want to show you guys my stats. So today I opened 2 new trades and I closed one trade. Let's take a look. Well, I didn't fully close it. I actually just took profit and left it still, half of it still running. So here's my stats right now. Still haven't gone over the 5,000 for the max daily, which is good. Uh, Profit, still haven't reached the 10,000 mark yet, and haven't met the minimum 10-day trading days yet. But so let me show you guys the trades that I closed today. So I put some notes in between these. So these are from the day before here. What was the note I put here? Yeah, I closed out this trade, ended up with a negative. The reason why I exited was because my exit indicator was telling me to get out of the trade, so I did. This trade here, the notes on this, exit indicator told me to get out of this one as well, so I did. And then this trade here, I actually got some profit here. This was Euro CAD. I had closed half of this out today. So yeah, the case with this one, I closed half of the trade to take some profit and moved the stop loss to break even at the break even point. So it was in profit, and I took some of the profit and still have the trade running pretty much. And the 2 new trades that I opened up, let me open up my MetaTrader to show you guys. Okay, so here we are. I opened up USD CAD and GBP CAD. Those are the 2 new trades I opened up. And this is the Euro CAD I had took some profit from. So I closed half of the lots out. So it's still running here. And then the CAD Franc, we still got that running. And the CAD JPY. So in total, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades currently running, floating about 2 grand as it shows here. And then here we have the trades that I closed out. Yeah, so that EuroCAD, I got a profit of 9.95 with that one. The other 2 from the other day that I closed out, I took a loss there, but I kind of almost bounced back even in a way with this EuroCAD. But yeah, so that's what it's looking like so far. And yeah, so far we've got the equity showing 101, 506, so we got floating. We still got a long way to go. It's day 4, so I'm pretty happy with my progress so far. Made it to day 4, and I'm not so far like in the negative. It's moving more towards the positive. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow as well as next week. Hopefully, sometime next week, we could come close to meeting this goal and completing this challenge. So that's all I have for today, guys. My progress updated for day 4 of the FTMO challenge. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Peace.